In Manipur, ngasi legacy from day one in the third ki May ke horang ngasi box da. Akoi government sina ngasi bo thoi crisis meam, suffering meam, killing meam. The fights in between I like militants na hai but cookie group militants da akoi meam da nicham da. Ngamai kapa mi halapa tongun ba tarpa. Si meam since the akoi government sina, our state government sina. Effective measures states they have still failed. This government has still failed. Aduga government of India said at the same time, government of India, the Prime Minister has been silent on a specific approach to be adopted, measures to be adopted to deal with the crisis. He has remained silent. He has remained silent till date, except for a very brief, some few seconds. He spoke at the time of convening of the parliament, that too outside the house, parliament. Then in the house also, he had avoided the key issues. He had avoided addressing the key issues, being the Prime Minister of India. There was a special session. Following that session again, there also nothing was discussed effectively. So what I'm coming is, like I have an observation. Our state government has followed the Gujarat model in terms of failure to protect the life, property of its citizen. That happened in Gujarat. I would like to refer to that Godhra incident where many lives were lost. What happened there? The state government did not respond in time in terms of enforcement of the forces, the police, maybe anyone. It took time, it still deliberately took time to control. In fact, timely intervention on the part of the state forces or any available paramilitary forces were not